It's now mid-November, and while backpacking is still feasible, we have a choice of lodging. If we pool our funds, we can rent a home near the trail and carry only what we need to slack pack. This is quite the upgrade from shelter life. Our hosts appear to take this business quite seriously. You know you're not backpacking when your biggest challenge in the morning is how to make your coffee. A press, whatever this is, or a Keurig. We will hike north to Shagtacoke Road. I have no idea how to pronounce that. From the AT train stop that takes passengers to New York City. That was September. My, how the temperatures have changed.
Very sweet.
That's LJ and Landsailor right in front of me.
Good morning. I don't know what piece of information to share with you first. Obviously, it's raining. So our journey today starts by heading south to fill a gap that we have in New York. So after today, we will have finished the state of New York. And we'll enter into Connecticut. But if you've been following according to my posts, you know that we are already well into Connecticut. So this is just, we had to take a trip south to close this gap.
That's Older out front and introducing Aquaman.
You never know what rain strategy is going to be the best. Is it going to be the poncho, the umbrella, the raincoat? And I really, you don't know until it's kind of too late if you made the wrong decision. But so this is really more of a windbreaker than a raincoat. I knew we weren't getting much rain based on the weather forecast this morning, but I do have an umbrella with me. If it had been, forecasted to be a lot worse. Yeah, we could get some on and off spritz, but it's not really supposed to rain much today after these morning hours, but it is going to get colder. So I wanted to make sure I had my puffy jacket and my mid layer actually in my backpack. And I just have my base layer and this windbreaker on. I do have a couple of gear issues that I'm dealing with this time out. And actually the last time out too, I am using an old pair of hiking poles because I think that I left my good ones in the Catskills in that backpacking trip. I think that I left them where my car was parked. Maybe had them leaning against the car somewhere. They never made it in and I drove away because I haven't seen them since that trip. So So these old ones, the problem is they telescope easily, so I'm keeping them a little bit shorter than is really, truly, fully helpful. The other thing is I decided to go with my smaller Hyperlight. It's older, because I really just don't need all of that space for just a few things. But I had to, my little water holder is secure at the top, but it's kind of flopping around, and I didn't really realize that it wasn't well secured until we're hiking, and it's kind of flopping around. And then I usually have my little phone pouch on the other side, and I had to move it from that pack to this pack, and it's higher than I want it to be. I lowered it a little, but I might have to work on that tonight. So, and this little water thing is something I keep on this pack now, but it's not my best one. That is on my larger pack that I use for backpacking. You know, I know that's more than you need to know, but such are the dilemmas. We are on Hoyt Road. This is the border of New York and Connecticut. We are about to, I guess, complete New York. I don't know if we've already done it or if it's when we take the turn up here, but all right, New York State, check. Got lunch. Everybody's chilling. Before the big ascent for the day. And the sun's coming out momentarily.
That is the sound of a cold front moving in. Our old friend, the Housatonic River. Humble abode for the trip. LJ's cooking dinner, Landsailor's pouring the wine, Older's looking at the maps, and Aquaman's tasting the apps. Tomorrow we jump north to Massachusetts. Thanks for watching and happy hiking.